A customer came to us with a stuck Roborock S5 robot vacuum, asked us to fix it. We disassemble and meticulously examine every corner of the robot vacuum to find the root cause. There it was, the crux of the problem. A worn-out tire causing the robot vacuum can't move properly. We replace it with a new tire for optimal performance. But wait! Look at this whirl of dust. The dust had invaded the robot vacuum in every corner, compromising its performance. Our technician embarked on a thorough deep cleaning service. Our deep cleaning service revives the robot vacuum's full performance. Look at this. The fan area looks shining. Wow, the other side is also spotless. And finally, the robot vacuum emerged, reborn, and free from dust. Now ready to resume its duties with full performance. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.